The eStudio 455 series offers an improved ADU, Automatic Duplexing Unit, paper path, enhancing the productivity of double-sided printing. Let's look at conventional double-sided printing. First, the printing of a single double-sided page. The sheet is printed on the back first. Then the paper reverses direction at the paper exit. The sheet then goes through the ADU to the transfer unit, where it's printed on the front and exits the device. Now, multiple double-sided pages. The back of the first sheet is printed, and while the paper is reversing direction at the exit, the next sheet is printed. The first sheet now goes through to the ADU to get to the transfer unit, where it's printed while the second sheet is reversing direction at the paper exit. If both sheets were to continue moving, they would collide. In this process, the first sheet has to wait before moving to the transfer unit until the second sheet reverses and is on its way to the ADU. By the time the second sheet has reached the ADU, the paper exit is clear, and the first sheet immediately resumes its movement to the transfer unit for printing and exit. This wait time before the paper reached the transfer unit had an effect on performance. So the eStudio 455 series now has one more paper exit above. The first sheet goes to the upper paper exit, where it's reversed after being printed while the second sheet is being printed. The first sheet then goes through the ADU to the transfer unit, is printed on the front, and moves toward the lower paper exit. As this is happening, the second page reverses direction at the upper paper exit in preparation for moving on to the ADU. This system performs as well as single-sided printing, with high-speed models offering 35 to 45 pages per minute. In the case of the eStudio 255 and 305, paper transfer speed has been optimized, so you get the same productivity for double-sided printing as single-sided printing, even without an extra exit. There's also an aesthetic benefit. The new eStudio 455 series ADUs are more compact and can fit inside the machine.